Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see deleted WhatsApp messages on any phone using a simple and safe method. We'll be using the Direct Chat app from the Play Store to recover deleted chats without root and without touching your WhatsApp backup. So let's jump straight into the steps. Open up the Play Store on your phone and in search for Direct Chat. Select the Direct Chat application and make sure you install the one with the floating chat bubbles. After installation done, open the app and give it the necessary permissions. Select the direct chat and select allow display over other apps and go back and enable notifications. Select the direct chat and turn on the and unselect allow and then just go back and select get started. Select this right arrow option and skip all these options. And now select here applications and disable every application except WhatsApp. Make sure WhatsApp is turned on and then go back. Wait for the ad to complete. Close the ad and select test chat head. After opening this, you can close this application. Open up WhatsApp and start using it normally. Now, if someone sends a message and deletes it, just open the direct chat option over here and you will see everything that was removed. For example, text, emojis, and even some media previews. And that's it. Your deleted WhatsApp chats are now fully visible, and that's how you can see deleted WhatsApp messages on any phone using the Direct Chat app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more WhatsApp tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.